Hi everyone, I'm Hana. My channel is about 3D designs and tutorial about Archicad. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And today's video is gonna be about designing a decoration for the hallway or the entrance. So here I have the entrance view. So here's the door. It's gonna be entrance from here, and I wanna work from this open area. So the first thing we're gonna going to the object tool, and then select this one. And then here I have the implants, but I don't want to select over here. I'm just gonna write here over the research cabinet. So I'm gonna have here different kind of designs of cabinets. So the first thing, I'm gonna select this one, the cabinet tall double door. Okay, and then work with the area and the color. So I'm okay with the height, total height to 24. And then here the width is gonna be around 1100, and here 335. I don't want to go with too large areas, so I'm gonna go with this one. Okay, and here there's gonna be the surface area, so you're gonna select the color you wanted if you like that. But I have here a specific color which was written hallway, and if you want to know how to insert textures, I have a video uploaded about that. So the shelf is gonna be white, and here also I'm gonna make it with the same colors. And then I'm gonna go to the door. You can select different kind of design, but I wanna make it like in a modern design, so that's why I'm gonna select the same color overall. And here I will check the color, the pen. I don't want it to visible the green. And almost here I will go with the golden. Okay, no, I'm gonna select none because I don't want it over here, the knob. And then okay, I'll put it over here. So I'm gonna go to the ground floor to work with this area. So it is over here. I will just rotate it. Sorry, turn it over here. And yeah, okay, I'm just move it over here with the edge part. Okay, let's see it. It's good. It is good. So the left, I'm left with another size which is over here. So I'm gonna go again with the cabinet. I'm gonna go to the object tool, click on the research. So I'm gonna have different designs. I want the triple, so this one, triple cabinet wall, triple door, 24. So I choose the color of the hallway, so I'm gonna go with the hallway. The shelf is okay with that. Go with the door. I wanted the same design, hallway. And then I will select this to make it dark. And here the 3D, I don't need this one, knob. I'll remove it. And you can click here and see the size, but here I'm gonna work with the size. So the height is gonna be 300. Okay, and the width is gonna be much higher, a little bit, so 75. Let's see, yeah, let's see. And then click OK and put it over here. Okay, just I have to rotate it. I'm gonna go over here. Sorry, rotation. Okay, move it, put it over here. Okay, let's see, it is at the edges part, so it's good. So I want to decrease it down, move it down. I'm gonna put it here around this area. So I finished with the cabinets and everything. Now I'm gonna work with the walls. So I can select over here, or I can select in a different way, but I prefer to select it here, much easier for me. So select the wall, the thickness I wanted 100, and then I'm gonna work with the color, which is gonna be similar hallway with everyone, and it's all good. And then here the height I want it around like 300, and then I'm gonna work on it on the 3D. So we'll just put it over here, go with 100. Okay, so I move it over the edged part. See how it's gonna look like. It's much better. So I'm gonna work with the height. I have here the ceiling. I'm gonna increase the height from here, and then I put it over here. Okay, it looks so good, yeah? So after that, I can see it. So I'm gonna work with here 3D. Just click copy to this, another one. You know how to do copy, so I have uploaded a video or explained it. Control plus Shift plus D, delete this one, another two, sorry, click on this, yeah, and then put it over here, and that's it. So we finished with the cabinets and the wall to give us a decoration. So we are left with here another one, which is a mirror. Click on the object, type here over here mirror, and you see it over here. We have this one. If you want it with frame, okay, with frame, but I prefer without frame. So just go to the color, and here it's gonna be visible with the mirror. I'm gonna put it over here and see how it's gonna be work. I have to rotate it again. I'm okay with that. Rotate it, Control plus Shift plus E. So here I will increase the size till the end part, till here, okay, and let's see how it's look like. Good. So now I'm gonna work with the heights. Click on this part, and then we see here the stretching height, and I'm gonna go to the down. If you wanted to put it down, I prefer till here, and then here's gonna be top part, and that's it. And the rest of the things you're gonna put here, vase or flowers, whatever you want. And it's so simple, easy how to decorate it for the entrance area, and it is nice. Look, so for example, if anyone come over here, he can put his clothes or shoes and decoration over here, and that's all. So if you have any questions, you can comment below, and don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and thank you for watching.